that how to withdraw the drug from the ampule. Here you just see very closely, here you can see a mark. Okay, this mark is already there from where the ampule can be break down. Now suppose the mark is not there. What you should do? In that case you have to take another ampule and you have to rub this part. Look this carefully. You have to rub this part like this and you have to make a mark. Now after that, what you have to do, there are multiple methods. One thing is that either a file is there which is rubbed over this part and you can break it. Another thing is that you simply take a gauze piece. This is a gauze piece. You fold it, then you hold this and simply you have to break this in such a way that the broken part will not come inside the ampule. Movement like this. Okay, and the movement is such that this should be kept away from the ampule. Now I will show you how to aspirate the drug from the ampule. Suppose you want to withdraw the 1 ml. Now what you should do, you have to slightly tilt. Now keep the bevel upside and you introduce the needle and the tip, it is in the liquid part, and then you simply withdraw the drug. Suppose you want to withdraw the 1 ml of the drug. Gradually you feel. Okay. Now you can see that air is there. This air can be removed by just tapping, and then you remove the upper part and still some amount of the drug that is coming out. Yes, you can see the drug is coming out. Okay, fine. Now again you have to cap it on a surface. Fine. Now the same needle should not be used for injecting.